Hello students, welcome back to my channel Mathematics with Miss Jen. For today's video, we will learn how to graph linear equation and two variables. Like for example, we have 4x plus 2y is equals to 8. Let's follow the steps. Step 1, identify your y-intercept. Knowing that the formula for slope-intercept form is y is equals to mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So let's transpose 4x to the other sides by subtracting both sides by 4x because here is positive, so when you transpose to the other side, it will be negative. So we have 2y is equals to negative 4x plus 8. Then, to get the value of y, we will divide by 2. So 2y divided by 2 and negative 4x divided by 2 and 8 divided by 2. So we have the value of y is equals to negative 2x plus 4. Then step 2, plot the y-intercept. Knowing that our formula is y is equals to mx plus b, where b is our y-intercept. So let's plot our y-intercept, which is positive 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 3, determine the slope. Here, our slope here is negative 2, but we need a fraction because slope is rise over run. So, since our slope here is negative 2, so it is understood that the denominator is 1. So we have negative 2 over 1, or it can be written as positive 2 over negative 1 because it will give you the same answer of negative 2. So let's plot our slope. Since this is negative, so we will go down. 1, 2, and then run is 1. So we have all the yellow dots here are the slope. And as I said earlier, it can be 2 over negative 1. Then we will connect the dots. Step 4, verify the graph. So let's verify the 2 points if our solution is correct. So the value of x is 2 and our y is 0. One of our plot here, which is positive 2 for the value of x, and for our y is 0. So let's plug in the given points to our equation. So we have y is equals to negative 2x plus 4. So 0 is equals to negative 2 times 2 plus 4. And 0 is equals to negative 4 plus 4. So 0 is equals to 0. So it is true. Let's try another one. We have negative 1 as a value of our x. And for the value of y is 6. So let's plug in the given 2 points. So we have y is equals to negative 2x plus 4. So the value of y is 6. 6 is equals to negative 2 times x, which is negative 1 plus 4. So we have 6 is equals to 2 plus 4. So 6 is equals to 6. So our solution is correct.